Hello, this is Mrs. Dubois, and I'm just going to deliver a video answer key just in case you had any questions on the Flashback Friday. Okay, we are dealing with the distributive property, and we are going to distribute this x. So remember that this is like understood to be 1. So x times 2x is 2x squared, plus x times 5 is 5x. Then you have x to the 6th times x to the 1st, which is x to the 7th. X to the 6th times 7, 7x to the 6th. Again, you're distributing this 5x. You multiply the coefficients. 5 times 7 is 35. X to the 5th plus 60x. Now we're going to use the distributive property and reintroduce radicals. So you have, when you distribute the 3, you'll have 3 radical 4 minus 21. And then you should simplify that. 3, the square root of 4 is 2 minus 21. We follow the orders of operations. That gives us 6 minus 21, which is negative 15. And that is your final answer. Okay. We're radical and distributing again. So radical 5 times radical 5 is radical 25 plus 6 radical 5. If we simplify that, we'll get 5 plus 6 radical 5. Sorry, that's a tight squeeze there. All right, now we're going to distribute the 6. So it's 6 radical 6 plus 60, and we cannot simplify that any further. Now we're going to use the algebra tiles to fill in the blank. So this is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So it's 3 groups of, if we just look at 1 group, this is x, the rectangle is x, and then the squares are 1 unit, so it's 3x plus 3. I didn't ask you to do that, but we could distribute it out and get 3x plus 9. And that also matches the picture. All right, this one's kind of nice because it's the algebra tiles and solving an equation. So if we look again, we have 1 group and 2. So on the outside, we're going to have 2. Then, let's look closely. X plus 2 equals 10. So now this one says fill in the blanks and solve, all right? So we're going to distribute. So we'll get 2x plus 4 equals 10. Now we have a 2-step equation. They're going to subtract 4. So we'll get 2x is equal to 6, divide by 2. X is equal to 3. Voila. Okay. So 9 and 10, you can either think of it as foiling, first, outer, inner, last, or double distribute. So if we do foil, we do first, whoops. Ooh, going back. All right, if we do first, we're going to get 6x squared outer, negative 15x inner, plus 2x, and last is negative 5. So we'll have 6x squared, combined like terms, minus 13x minus 5. We can circle that. If you think about it as double distribute, we start off with the 8m, and we distribute that. So 8m times 2m is 16m squared. Then you have 8m times 3 plus 24m. Then you're going to distribute the 7 plus 14m over the 3 plus 21. Again, you combine like terms. You're going to have 16m squared plus 38m plus 21. Just going to draw a box around that too. Okay, now let's use the algebra tiles to examine the distributive property or FOIL. So you see here, this is 3x plus 2. This is x, 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 so that's 3x's plus 2. And then we're going to, so that's this side, then we're going to look down this side. So that is 2x minus 4, all right? And now you can either use FOIL to solve 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 4, or you can look at the picture. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x squared. And then you have, this is positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll give you 4x's. And this, so this is 4x. And down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You'll have a negative because these are negative. If you can see the little negative sign there. So this will give you negative 12 plus 4x is negative 8. All right. I also like to think about it like I could take these 4 and cancel these 4, and I'd be left with just right here, negative 8x. Okay. You get that middle term also if you multiply negative 12x plus 4x. Combine like terms, that will give you the negative 8x, and that will give you the middle term. Okay, same thing here. We're using the algebra tiles to figure out what's inside our parentheses. So x plus 8 represents this top line. And so here we're going to put x plus 3 right there. So now here's your 1x squared right here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 x's, positive. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And you could do that a variety of ways, all right? Or if you're more comfortable, you can use FOIL, all right, to solve that also. So it's your choice. Okay, last one. So this is 2x plus 2, which is represented right here. And then so the second parentheses is x plus 3. Then I can just look at my picture. I have 1, 2. It should be 2x squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. Just to make that clearer. 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. And again, if you want to check it out or you're more comfortable, you can do this and do FOIL. So you would do first 2x squared, outer plus 6x, inner plus 2x, and last plus 6. You combine like terms, you get 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. Okay. And that's all, folks. Enjoy your day.